Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our virtual class, and today this video will explain to you the main topics in Chapter 6. This video will combine several videos that discussing on the topics in Chapter 6. Firstly, concept of database and database management system. Secondly, what is big data? And thirdly, business intelligence.
Hi, my name is Mo. Today, I'm going to present to you Introduction to Database. I'm sure that you have heard data before, but what is a database? Database is a collection of data. As an example, student identities and company statistics. Data consists of raw facts. In order to transform data into useful information, it must be organized in a meaningful way. This is key field, such as student identity numbers, and these are attributes, which is also field of the database, while these are the entities, which are also the records. We are going to learn about two things. What is DBMS and what is DBA? Database Management System, which we also call as DBMS, is a group of programs that manipulate the database. A DBMS provides an interface between users and database to ensure that data is consistently organized and remain easy to access. There are two types of database software, which is single user, which means only one person can use the database at a time. Multiple users allow dozens of hundreds of people to access the same database at the same time. There are a few examples of database software: MySQL, Oracle Database, Microsoft SQL Server, and Sybase. A DBMS provides users and programmers with a systematic way to read, update, create, and delete the data. Database administrators, and also DBA, is a group of professionals that use specialized software to store and organize the data. Their job scope include capacity planning, database design, migration, backup and data recovery, installation, configuration, performance monitoring, and security management. DBA directs all activities related to an organization's database. Without DBA, an organization could not successfully complete most business activity. Nowadays, databases are widely used in banking and finance, business organization, education, manufacturing. Thank you for watching. See you again.
Created using Powtoon.
Hi, I'm Brian,
And hi, I'm Jennifer.
and today we'll be talking about big data and what it is. As computers are getting more powerful and information is digitized, there's growing information and computing resources available which can analyze very large data sets. These new information resources are also known as big data, and they offer tremendous opportunities for those who are equipped to analyze them.
So, what is big data? Well, big data is the next big thing. Retailers are building vast databases of recorded customer activity. Logistics, financial, and healthcare sectors are capturing more data. Social media is creating vast quantities of information. Vision recognition is allowing computers to analyze and extract information from still images, and as small objects go online, they create an Internet of Things.
Big data can be characterized by 3 V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Volume houses the greatest challenge and opportunity because big data can help many organizations to understand people better and to allocate resources more efficiently. However, some computers cannot handle the amount of information from big data.
Velocity is the rate of which data is flowing into organizations. Users are demanding data streamed to them in real time, and this poses as quite a challenge. And finally, the variety of data types to be processed is becoming more diverse. Computers back then used to only deal with traditional data, which are documents, finances, stock records, and personnel files. However, today's big data deals with photographs, audio and videos, 3D models, simulations, and location data.
Due to all of the challenges from the 3 V's, organizations have little choice but to ignore some of the information. Large portions of information gathered by the organizations are usually not processed. An example of this is data gathered from videos of surgeries and deleted within weeks.
With big data, there are many technologies, and the leading big data technology right now is Hadoop. Hadoop is an open source software library for reliable, scalable, distributed computing. Hadoop consists of 2 main components: Hadoop Distributed File System and Hadoop MapReduce.
Big data infrastructure can be quite costly. So, for organizations that cannot afford to have their own internal big data infrastructure, there is cloud-based big data solutions. Amazon has many government and healthcare documents available online, and this allows organizations to access them without the need to download.
Big data provides opportunities which allow insight on new and emerging types of data. This will give a deeper insight to enterprises.
In time, big data may be able to help farmers predict the weather forecast and crop failures. As well, the government can use it to predict and plan for epidemics.
So, this concludes our video of what big data is and how big data is used. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it.
You may have heard the term business intelligence, or BI, but what does that really mean? There are several different definitions, but to put it simply, BI is about delivering relevant and reliable information to the right people at the right time with the goal of achieving better decisions faster. To do this, BI requires methods and programs to collect and structure data, convert it into information, and present it to improve business decisions. BI takes the vast amount of data generated by businesses and presents it in a meaningful, actionable way. While these are simple concepts, BI is actually a large and complex field, including performance management, analytics, predictive modeling, data and text mining, and a lot more. Imagine business intelligence functioning like a grocery store. When you enter a grocery store and are looking for specific items, say eggs, milk, and bananas, you do not need to find an employee to ask them where to look. Instead, grocery stores are organized into aisles and signs that make the store relatively simple to navigate. Now imagine the items in the store are like your business's data, and you need to collect information on production, billable hours, and sales goals. You are likely to go to 3 different experts and ask them where you can find this information. Then you will go to someone else and have them compile it for you. BI is all about taking your messy information and turning it into a tidy and accessible grocery store. This enables you to navigate your data on your own and find what you need without relying on others. Organizations no longer have to dig through complex webs of linked spreadsheets, analyzing the data manually and mashing together reports. Instead, employees can use BI systems to request the information. Using BI offers significant advantage when trying to make strategic decisions. Having anytime access to organized data means that you can discover inefficient business processes and hidden patterns, identify areas of strength and weakness, and discover new opportunities, all of which contribute to a better understanding of your company's operations and challenges. Let's look at a retail example. You are the manager of a retail chain that has both stores and online shops. You offer your customers a loyalty card, which they can swipe in the stores or enter into their online account. The card associates everything the customer buys in-store and online with their unique account number into your organization's databases. Through the use of business intelligence methods and software, you are empowered by having the ability to run analytical reports on massive amounts of customer information, which can enable you to understand how loyal they are to your brand, what products they buy and how frequently, and if they have a preference for visiting the store or buying from the online store. What does this give you? The ability to understand or even predict an individual customer or segment's needs, preferences, and habits, anticipate new opportunities to sell, deliver better service, or even provide targeted marketing campaigns, such as instant delivery of coupons at point of sale for products related to their interests as indicated by past behavior. In short, you are able to understand your customers very well based on their historical transactions and behavior, and use that information to increase your sales or differentiate your brand by providing better or unique services. So in closing, the term business intelligence refers to a group of tools and techniques that collects and organizes your data and presents it in a way that is useful and makes sense. If you want to have efficient access to accurate, understandable, and actionable information on demand, then business intelligence might be right for your organization.